All right, even though it happened 41 years ago, the blizzard of 1978 is a weather event no one who lived through it will forget it soon.
And tomorrow is the anniversary of Columbus's biggest snowstorm ever recorded.
Meteorologist Ben Gelbler here now with a story you've been working on about this.
Mark and Colleen, and working closely with the Ohio History Connection to help document the storm that, for those who were here, no one will forget. And for those of us who came later, I've heard endless stories from my first day at work here a little over 38 years ago. But we're going on 41 years ago this evening. It was mild and rainy like yesterday. Viewers were told, yeah, a storm was coming, but the extreme conditions took most by surprise. Two storms merged. Polar and subtropical air collided, creating what we now call a bomb cyclone. Now, rain changed to snow after midnight as the temperature plunged from 40 to 10 degrees in a few hours, causing a flash freeze, followed by 6 to 12 inches of snow, swirling at 70-mile-per-hour winds. As you look at our footage from downtown Columbus back in the day, Governor James Rhodes called out the Ohio Army National Guard to rescue more than 10,000 stranded motorists, and another 2,700 people were picked up by helicopter. You saw Columbus and Southern workers trying to deal with horrible conditions to restore 175,000 folks lost power in zero temperatures, closing schools and businesses for a week. Hurricane-force wind gusts piled the snow into mountainous drifts up to the second story of homes. Tragically, 51 Ohioans lost their lives, nearly half trapped in vehicles or in homes without electricity. You can see some of the pictures we've gathered with the Ohio Historical Connection. Now, my story on our website, NBC4i.com, you can see what hurricane category this storm reached that caused 25-foot drifts, forcing residents to tunnel out of their homes. So, Mark and Colleen, this was definitely the storm of the century. Yes, we've had more snow in some storms, but never with such devastating impact. I mean, we had almost 3 feet of snow already on the ground.
Yeah.
So you can imagine what happened after that.
The 100-year event, so we got some time to play with.
Yeah, I think we do.
Hopefully. All right.
And of course, I was in Pittsburgh then, and he was still a gleam in his father's eye.
My father's eye. All right.
Thanks so much, Ben.
Appreciate that.